Hello, today we're going to talk about converting slope-intercept form. I've talked about this in previous videos, one type of slope-intercept form. I've had so many questions about it that I just figured I'd make a video of that one specific section to help you out. Alright, first thing is the purpose of slope-intercept form is that you can find the slope and the y-intercept from that form. So if it's in the form y equals mx plus b, I can find the slope and the intercept. If it is in another form that has the x and the y, you cannot find it until you switch it to that form. That's the point of that form. So if I gave you this and I said, what is the slope? You cannot tell me until you switch it to this form. Switching it to this form is very, very easy. All I'm doing then is solving for y. If you've done equations, which you've done for years now, you always solve for x or whatever the variable is. This time you're just solving for y. That's it. So I'm going to get rid of whatever's outside the y. That gives me y. That gives me negative 2x plus 4. And that's it. So y equals negative 2x plus 4. So now what's my slope here? My slope is negative 2. My y-intercept is 4. Or 0, 4 is the point. Alright, here is another one. The only difference in this one is now we have a coefficient in front of the y, a coefficient that's not 1. So we do the same thing. You always do the same thing. All this is a one-step or a two-step equation. So I subtract the 4x because I'm solving for y. I bring down the negative 2y, and I get negative 4x plus 7. Now the y is not alone, so I divide this by negative 2, I divide this by negative 2, and this by negative 2. Y equals negative 4 divided by negative 2 is 2, minus 7 halves. So what's my slope? 2. What's my y-intercept? 0, negative 7 halves. And that really is just how easy this is. Alright, another example. This. Alright? I want to know what the slope is of this. Can I tell what the slope is here? No. I have to switch the slope-intercept form. So first thing I'm going to do is combine my like terms on this side. So that's negative 4 and 6. So it gives me 3x plus 2 plus 2y equals 0. Now I'm going to get rid of my number first because that's the way I like to do it. You get rid of the x first, it doesn't matter. So 3x plus 2y equals negative 2. I'm going to switch colors just so it doesn't look like it's starting to run together. Now I do the same thing I did before. Minus 3x, 2y equals negative 3x minus 2, then divide by 2. So my final answer is y equals negative 3 halves x minus 1. So what's my slope? My slope is negative 3 halves. My y-intercept is 0, negative 1. It's not too difficult, and this is YouTube, so I'm going quick. And you can just kind of fast forward and go back if you need. I'm going to do one more. So this is the last example. All I did this time is I just switched the y with the x. It doesn't change what we have to do. We still have to solve for the y. So 6y equals 5x minus 4. Divide by 6, divide by 6, divide by 6. So y equals 5, 6x minus, now I'm going to simplify that down to 2/3. So my slope, what is my slope? My slope is 5, 6. My y-intercept is 0, negative 2/3. All right, this has been a real short video. There's 4 examples for you on how to switch to slope-intercept form and standard and general form to slope-intercept form. So I hope this helps out, and good luck.